Is your appointment scheduling system doing everything it can for your business? Or more specifically, is it helping you get paid? That's a question I hear a lot, especially when people are considering online booking platforms. We're all looking for tools that streamline our operations, save us time, and ultimately, help us grow our revenue. And let's be honest, getting paid is a pretty crucial part of that growth, isn't it? So, today we're diving deep into a very specific and very important question about a popular scheduling platform. Does Setmore take payments? Now, before we get to the direct answer, let's set the stage a little. In the world of modern business, especially for service-based industries, online booking has become less of a luxury and more of a necessity. Think about it, your clients want convenience. They want to book appointments when it suits them, whether that's late at night, early in the morning, or during their lunch break. They don't want to wait for you to call them back or jump through hoops to schedule something. An effective online booking system not only provides that convenience but also frees up your time, allowing you to focus on delivering your services rather than playing phone tag. But convenience for your clients and time saving for you are just two pieces of the puzzle. The third, and arguably most critical piece, is getting paid for your services. What good is a perfectly booked calendar if the payment process is clunky, prone to errors, or worse, non-existent? This is where the integration of payment processing into your scheduling system becomes a game changer. It creates a seamless experience for your clients, from booking to payment, and it ensures that you're not left chasing invoices. So, with that context in mind, let's address the elephant in the room. Does Setmore take payments? The short answer is a resounding yes. And not just a simple yes, but a yes with robust features and integrations designed to make your payment process as smooth as your booking process. Setmore understands that for many businesses, taking payments at the time of booking, or at least facilitating easy payment, is absolutely essential. They've integrated with several leading payment gateways to ensure that you have options and flexibility. One of the primary ways Setmore handles payments is through its integration with Stripe. Stripe is a powerhouse in online payments, known for its security, ease of use, and global reach. When you connect your Stripe account to Setmore, you can accept payments for your services directly through your booking page. This means that when a client books an appointment with you, they'll have the option to pay upfront. This is incredibly beneficial for a few reasons. Firstly, it reduces no-shows. When clients have already paid, they're much more committed to keeping their appointment. Secondly, it improves your cash flow. You get paid immediately, rather than waiting until the service is rendered. And thirdly, it simplifies your accounting. All your bookings and payments are linked within the same system. Beyond Stripe, Setmore also integrates with Square. For many small businesses, Square is a familiar and trusted name, particularly for in-person transactions. However, Square's capabilities extend to online payments as well. Integrating Square with Setmore allows you to process payments online, offering another popular and reliable option for your clients. This is especially useful if you're already using Square for other aspects of your business, creating a more unified financial ecosystem. Now, you might be thinking, what about other payment methods? Setmore offers flexibility beyond just these direct integrations. While Stripe and Square handle the direct online payment processing, Setmore also allows you to designate services as paid in person. This means you can still use Setmore for scheduling, even if you prefer to collect payment on arrival, or through other methods like cash, check, or a different POS system. This flexibility is crucial for businesses that have diverse payment preferences or operate in different settings. It's also worth noting that Setmore allows for the collection of deposits or full payments. This is a powerful feature. For high-value services, or those requiring significant preparation, collecting a deposit upfront can provide a layer of security and commitment. You can configure each service in Setmore to require a full payment, a partial deposit, or no payment at all at the time of booking. This level of control allows you to tailor your payment strategy to each service you offer. The benefits of Setmore's payment integrations extend beyond just getting paid. They contribute to a more professional and streamlined client experience. Imagine your client finding your services, selecting a time slot, and then seamlessly completing their payment, all within a few clicks. There's no redirection to another website, no clunky manual invoicing, just a smooth, integrated flow. This professionalism builds trust and confidence with your clients, encouraging repeat business. Furthermore, Setmore's reporting features can help you track your payments. While it's not a full-fledged accounting system, it provides valuable insights into your booked appointments and the associated payments. This helps you reconcile your finances and get a clearer picture of your revenue. Of course, like any tool, maximizing Setmore's payment capabilities requires a bit of setup. You'll need to have an account with your chosen payment gateway, Stripe or Square, and then connect it within your Setmore account settings. Setmore provides clear instructions and support to guide you through this process, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. In conclusion, if you're wondering whether Setmore can handle your payment needs, the answer is a definitive yes. With robust integrations with Stripe and Square, the ability to collect full payments or deposits, and the flexibility to manage in-person payments, Setmore provides a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to streamline their booking and payment processes. It's more than just a scheduler. It's a tool that helps you get paid efficiently and professionally, allowing you to focus on what you do best, serving your clients and growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.